The people, they want to know, what is the connection between stem cell therapy and anti-aging? Well, by the end of this video, you are going to know. Okay, guys, the name of the science behind anti-aging is called epigenetics. With epigenetics, there's such a thing called an epigenetic clock. The epigenetic clock is a tool that the scientists and the doctors use to help gain an understanding of where we are along the biological aging process. Okay, under the epigenetics clock's umbrella, there's many different aspects, but one of these aspects is called cellular senescence. Okay, what cellular senescence is, well, this is when cells age, they turn into zombie versions of themselves. They fail to perform the functions that they once did when they were younger cells. Okay, stem cell therapy can offset cellular senescence by introducing healthy functional stem cells that can replace or rejuvenate aging cells and restore tissue function. Okay, it doesn't stop there, guys. You see, when we're younger, we're rich in the stem cell bank, okay? And we can take care of all of the problems that our body throws at it. But as we age, this axis switches dramatically. You see the cellular regeneration rates compared to our cellular degeneration rates has dramatically switched, leaving ourselves open to age-related medical conditions. Okay, guys, if you guys want to fight a better fight cellularly, if you want to, fight the hands of time more gracefully, go to the Regenerative website, fill out a form. One of our doctors are going to be looking through your file, and somebody will be getting back to you in short order. So adios for now, regenerative.com.